Hello guys, this is the Project 12 controls. Do a wireframe of the project. Inside my burger window frame, I'm going to bring some buttons. Should definitely give a title here. We have 3 different burgers, 6 extra ingredients. We'll get some checkboxes here, and you can play around with that and see how they look, whether do it. Toppings. What else we need? A text box that we can take the guest name. We need a couple buttons, so we'll take a button somewhere down here. Let's take this into the Visual Studio, put some code to it, make it functional. You open a create a new project. We're gonna window frame C#, whatever you want to call it. Inside the burger shop, we need the guest name, which is a label. We need a couple other labels for the title. Add some labels here. First label, we'll have to change the properties in some of the settings, and we change the text property. Guest name, to change the font, play around under the font, maybe bold, select burger, label 3, select topping, change the font properties, whatever your desire. This looks good. Add text box, it will hold the name. Let's call it text box, name text box. Now we have 3 radio buttons here. Let's add radio buttons. Find radio buttons right here. 16. Copy and paste. I plan to add some pictures. Should leave room for the pictures on the left. Radio button small. And we're gonna change that. Small burger. And we give a price $5.99. Radio button 2. Let's make that medium burger. Let's make it $9.99. Large $12.99. To make it more even. Better. We need toppings. Take a checkbox. Letters. Let's see what else we have to do. We have to add the select toppings checkboxes. Checkbox 1. Let's change that to letters. Definitely need to make it larger, make it bold. That looks better. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste. Okay, what else we need here? We need the order. I'm gonna call it order, and that's a button. Let's do it order now. 14 bold, and add that for clear. And close this. To align them evenly, we can use this button here to align all of them evenly. Press this button here. It will align everything evenly. Tomatoes. We change that text to onions, avocado, ketchup, mustard. Let's change that to, let's add mustard too. Now we have what we had planned. So now that we have all the labels, names, everything, we can go under the button, click order. Well, we can change the name of this button just to make it more clear. Order now button name text box. We have a string text box. We have a double base burger cost, double total cost, which we have to initialize it. We have toppings, going to be a double too. Toppings cost, burger cost, tax, name text box, string, order name. It's going to be equal to name text box, dot text. If radio button small is checked, it's equal true, then the burger cost is equal to $5.99. Else if radio button small, medium, radio is equal true, we have to make sure it's checked. That checked by the user. Then equal to 9.99. 9.99. Right, all good. Else 12.99. Burger cost equal 12.99. If toppings such as lettuce, and we can assign each topping different prices. 50 cents. Tomato 50 cents. Avocado 50 cents. If lettuce box is checked, it's equal true, then add plus we're assigning to lettuce 50 cents. 0.5. If tomato checkbox is checked equal true, we have to assign an extra topping cost. We have to add an extra. If onions, let's change that. Onions checkbox checked equal true. Add the toppings. Another onions 50 cents. 0.50. Avocado $1.25. Avocado checkbox. Avocado checkbox is checked. And if that happened to be true, we have to update our toppings. Cost by $1.25. Base burger cost. There you go. Base burger cost is equal to plus any of the toppings cost, if there is any cost. So run it, build a solution, just to make sure everything is running. We have to add tax. Tax is equal whatever the burger cost times 0. Total cost. Total cost is equal base plus tax. Now we're getting to total cost. We just need the order now and the total. Let's run it and debug. Start debugging or control number 1. 12.95. 16. Why is it adding? Let's add tax 0. Why it's selecting only medium? Let's see over here. We don't have that. Radio button 3. Oh, come on. Large. 5.99 and 50 cents. 6.49. How about we add avocado to 7.74. Now we added the sales tax. Total label. Another box down here. Subtotal box. Subtotal box. Cost. Tax. Tax box. Now I want to bring a burger to this. In your picture box, put it right here. Get to Wikipedia comments and just search for some kind of burgers. Now that you brought the picture, bring in the image. Change this image. One more label down here. Greet label. Greet label. The automatic it's gonna be 0. And we run it. Put your name up there. You're running right now at $0. Oh, I'd like to get lettuce. Yeah. Just give me some side ketchup and mustard. Now it's 60 cents, $4 for tax, total 64 cents. You add a burger, $10.59. Let's add everything to my burger. Oh, actually I don't want anything on the burger. You can clear everything and just order the burger and you have $9.99 plus tax. And we just cleared it, everything. I just want to add some tomatoes. They're healthy. Okay, that's it.